When I was new, I didn't know where my career will go. Initially, my films were not even successful, but then I learned a lot from my mistakes. The truth is that no matter how many retakes you do, each will be different, and that is the nature of any creative medium. There's no such thing as perfection. The rule I have when choosing films is the excitement factor. I need to feel excited about the story and whatever message the film has. Only then do I sign on the dotted line. The journey that I have undertaken, meeting people from all walks of life and learning from them, has been my biggest achievement. Our society covers these problems with a veil. All I want is an open discussion. Losing someone we love, or the fear of losing someone we love one day, is a difficult experience, and we can all relate to it. None of us are an exception to this reality. I personally feel that I should support people who are doing good work, and people should also support such good work.